Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Gas prices are going down tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $3 less. $3.06 will be slashed from the price of automotive and ultra-low sulfur diesel. Kerosene is down $3. Propane is costing $2.03 less, while butane will go down by 64 cents. Oil prices settled higher today. Oil for delivery in October gained 3 cents to settle at $37.80 per barrel. More Jamaicans are being given a chance to get into the formal banking system. This has been made possible with changes to the Proceeds of Crime Act (POCA), which allows for different layers of risk assessment. But as you'll hear in this report from Andrew Laidley, there are conditions.
If you were unable to open a bank account a year ago because you don't have all the required documents, chances are you might be able to open that account today. That's because the law which required depositors to present several documents to conduct business with a bank has been changed.
For entry into the formal financial system, access to ATM, access to points of sale, you now have lower requirement, a national ID and your TRN, which we believe every Jamaican should be able to obtain.
The amendments were passed in November last year, but the president of the Jamaica Bankers Association, Jerome Smalling, says the association has been working to include more Jamaicans in the financial sector long before that.
Some institutions, even prior to the POCA, had solutions that facilitated financial inclusion. For a long time, people have said that it's very difficult to do business with the bank and that the bank does not want to onboard clients. And I've always wondered about such allegations, because which business would not want more clients? Who would not want more deposits? And more opportunity to cross-sell and upsell to these individuals.
The POCA amendment allows banks to put depositors into different categories ranging from low to high risk. Jamaicans who are considered to be low risk would find it much easier to open a bank account. But at the same time, there are limitations on the type of transactions low-risk depositors are allowed to conduct.
There are certain transactions that are referred to as high risk. For example, transactions such as overseas wire transfers, and also overseas wire transfers through electronic requests. So a number of banks are set up whereby you could go end-to-end online to send money abroad or to receive money from abroad without actually interacting with the individuals. And these are some of the transactions that some institutions have decided to block these new accounts from accessing. And they have said, if you want to move up to a full service account, then you would meet the higher due diligence requirements.
But he argues that the benefits far outweigh the limitations.
This is going to be beneficial to thousands of Jamaicans who are on the PATH program, thousands of Jamaicans who receive several varying government support, NIS, and so instead of having to go to the post office to line up or to execute your transactions in a traditional way, you're now able to open an account, have those funds deposited to your account, and then you can use your access card to execute your transactions.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
The insurance company of the West Indies, ICWI, has closed its Kingston branch office out of an abundance of caution due to a suspected COVID-19 case. The branch office will be closed until Monday, September 14. Customers are being advised to visit other ICWI offices in the corporate area until the Kingston branch office is reopened. The Jamaican dollar continued to appreciate today. At the end of trading, the US dollar was being sold for $145.30. The Canadian dollar closed at $111.19. The pound sterling is going for $189.64, while the euro is selling for $172.35. The JC index lost 921 points today, and the junior market index is down 17 points. Among the winners were JMMB Group 7.50%, Palace Amusement Epley 8.25%, Jetcon Corporation and Elite Diagnostic. On the losing side were T-Tech, Indus Pharma, Siboney Group, Honeybun, and Kingston Wharves. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashon Brown. Have a good evening.